Hey there, and welcome back. Today we're planning for July. This month I'm only going to be using freebies, and I came to this idea because I know there's a lot of you that are not currently using a digital planner and maybe are interested in it. So I thought that this was a good way to break the ice and show you what digital planning can do for you. All of the items that I'll use are from the Planner Hub, and you can join for free, and I will link it down below. As you can see, there's a lot of different items that you can choose, but this time we're going to use the demo version of the Inspire Planner, which is a good way to test if digital planning is for you. Let's open it in Goodnotes and see what's inside. I'll be importing all of the items the same way, and to do this, the only thing you need is to have the Google Drive app installed. Once the planner loads inside of the Goodnotes library, we're ready to get started. The planner I imported has all of the monthly pages, so I'm going to go straight to the July page and start planning. So today I'll be working on the monthly page and the weekly page that we're going to create from scratch. Since it's July, I'll be going for a summery vibe, but we'll see how it turns out. The first thing that I need to do is to date this calendar, and I'll do this freehand. I will also speed this up so that you don't have to wait. Since this is looking pretty bland at this point, let's go and download some stickers. First, I'll add some banners from this colorful weekly kit. To add the stickers to the planner, I'm using the Goodnotes split screen, and now I just opened the planner again, and I can use the lasso tool to circle around the sticker that I want, hold, and drag over into the other window. Let's add a few more to all of the important dates of this month, and then I can write on these banners. Let's go back to the Planner Hub, and I want to download this kit that I made for spring. It's really colorful, and I think it will fit the July theme as well. I like how it looks so far, but I still want to add some more stickers, and the third kit that I'll use is the Valentines freebie that came out in February. And for this one, I'm just going to select and copy the flowers that I want, and I'll paste them right onto the planner page. The final touch that I want to add is some highlighter on the names of the days as well as the dates. It's time for the weekly page, and since this planner doesn't have any weekly layouts, I'm going to create a layout from scratch using one of the blank pages that's inside of this demo version. I simply copied it and pasted it right after the monthly page. To create the layout, I'm just going to use the pencil tool. I will freehand the window for the days, and then I will copy and paste. You could also use the shape tool if you want it to be perfect, but I like how this looks. To label the days, I will use the same color I used for the dates on the calendar, but this time I will use the brush pen to make it look a little bit better. Once that's done, I can use the lasso tool to resize and rotate the days a little bit. This is a really cool way to create any layout that you like, especially if you're getting bored of the layouts that were already provided in your planner. For the to-dos, I'm just using the highlighter and then I just copy and paste. To decorate the weekly page, I'm going to use the same sticker kits that we used before just to make it fit the theme. Overall, I really liked how this turned out. I think it's beautiful and it's still really functional. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.